This might be one of the easiest bag reviews I ever do. Not because the bag is perfect, but because I can pretty much universally recommend it to anyone. Or at least anyone who buys groceries, goes to the pool or beach, ever travels, owns a car. I don't usually get excited about packable totes, but the Bounce Design Labs Origami Tote checks all the boxes in a really boring category. So, let's get this thing on the bench and find out why I'm excited. Now, before we start, I should tell you guys, I received this bag free of charge from Bounce Design Labs to check out as part of a larger order. They have no idea what I'm about to say and had no say in the content of this video. This is a packable tote. It is not released yet. Release date pending. Those price and release were not available at the time of filming. As you just saw, the Origami Tote folds into itself like that paper art it's named after. Can we just give Bounce Design Labs props for such an original name? It's super lightweight, very weather resistant. It's got this very weather resistant storm shield fabric. It has a zippered main compartment. And really it's a really simple product, but executed fantastically. Now, like I said, pretty much anyone can use one of these things. The problem isn't carrying stuff. Any tote can do that. The problem is remembering one when you need it most. Most totes either take up too much space on a shelf or in the trunk of your car, or they look disposable, or you just forget to bring it and leave it at home. The Origami Tote's trick is that it disappears when you don't need it and deploys instantly when you do. So it's a big open bucket, which is good. The less structure a bag is, the easier it is to throw weird stuff into it. We used it on grocery runs to grab watermelons and all kinds of other stuff. We used it to take our 4 kids to the pool. It fit 6 towels pretty easily. Last minute purchases, this bag really doesn't care. It has one exterior slip pocket with a zippered pocket as well. So you got 2 pockets here, separate volume. You can see that discovery pattern that Bounce Design Labs is known for. Beautiful interior. And it has just enough organization for a simple packable tote. You can even fit a Kindle in that outside slip pocket super easily. It's like it was made for it. That outside pocket just keeps the essentials out of the main pocket. And you do have one zippered pocket on the inside. That's typically where I kept my sunglasses or my wallet, my Apple Watch, something like that. The materials on this bag are fantastic. This is Bounce Design Labs Storm Shield fabric. It cleans super easily, it's water resistant, dries super fast. It definitely feels more premium than any other packable tote I've ever used. And like I said, the discovery pattern on the interior here and at the bottom of the main compartment is a nice touch. It's something they didn't really have to throw in on a packable tote. It just makes this bag feel a lot less like a throwaway and more like something you'll want to keep around for a while. But it wasn't all sunshine and roses. This is still a big floppy tote, so things sink to the bottom. You got to dig around a little bit to get to what you're looking for. One small change I'd make, I mentioned there's one zippered pocket here. I'd like to see a slip pocket or 2 near the bottom of the interior of the bag, but I do understand why Bounce Design didn't put one in. More stitching equals less water resistance. So who's this thing for? Well, pretty much anybody. Parents, single people, couples, young people, old people. Like I said, pretty much anybody who buys groceries, goes to the pool or beach. The only thing I'd really say this bag isn't going to be good for is office carry. It's not a tech tote. There's no laptop sleeve. It's not going to be great for that. So in the end, the Bounce Design Labs Origami Tote got an 8.4 out of 10 on my bag bench scoring system. So not everybody needs this tote, but the Origami Tote just happens to be the best packable tote I've ever tested. Something you can keep in a backpack or a duffel bag, stow in the car, take on trips, and just pull out when life suddenly hands you more than your arms can carry. I'll link Bounce Design Lab's Facebook group in the description. That's typically where you'll find the newest release details and keep up with Bounce Design Lab's news. Once again, I'm Ken. You've been watching The Bag Bench. I'll see you out there. Reagan, I need your help.
What?
Reagan, okay, in honor of Father's Day, I need you to help me pick a new catchphrase for the channel.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready? You got to pick your
Are
favorite.
we gonna switch? Are you gonna read one? Did I read one?
Okay, sure. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. Are you ready?
No. Oh, I get the, okay, thanks for giving me the first one.
Okay.
That really burned my biscuits.
Take your hand away from your face. All right, go.
That really burns my biscuits.
Okay. All right. That really fills my Nalgene.
The zipper is slicker than fresh.
Nobody could understand you. You have to stop laughing.
Sorry. That zipper.
Bring Lincoln back, Jesus Christ.
You have bloopers, bro.
This is the blooper. You're making bloopers out of the bloopers.
It's you laying to make me laugh. That zipper is slicker than fresh wax on a camera.
It's a Camaro. That zipper is slicker than fresh wax on a Camaro.
I didn't know what that word was.
Oh, man.
I sounded it out.
I failed you. That pocket's tighter than a pickle jar.
That's just good, clean backpacking.
That really chaps my cargo shorts.
That wrinkles my khakis.
That untucks my polo.
That really frosts my root beer.
So bad. That'll make a thermostat cry.
That butters my bread.
That puts a smile under your mustache. Sorry, my mustache.
Oh.
Sorry.
You're so mean. That really rotates my tires.
Do you even know what that means?
I was thinking like a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That pressure washes my driveway.
At least bad jokes.
Yes.
That stains my deck.
Why'd you say it like that? That stains my deck.
You're so mean.
Listen, at least 73 people are gonna see this. That buckles my belt.
That bakes my beans.
That greases my grill.
That grills my burgers.
That cooks my cornbread.
That melts my marshmallows.
That really floats my boat and finds my lost remote. All right, I stole that one, but still. All right, what was your favorite?
I don't know.
Reagan.
Wait, I forgot. Let me see them.
Oh my God.
I don't like the mustache because you said I had a mustache. I like the bread one. The butter's my bread. Or I like the beans, actually.
The beans? Okay.
Taste my beans.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, okay. That really fruity my tootie. What was the other one? Yeah, that was really taco my bell. There was one more. I thought of it. Hold on. Stop the cameras. I need to think of mine.
Oh, so that really fruited your booty, that really tackled your bell.
Fruity my tootie. This is what he's kill me. I'm gonna like randomly think of it at like 12 a.m. I would come in your room. I'm like, this one. No, it was a good one too. Oh, I'm not gonna think of it again. No, that was a different one. There was one before that, and I was like, oh, this. And then you started laughing, and that's when we got the idea. Then I thought Taco Bell. I'm not gonna think of it. I just know it was really good.